Hi, this is Cary Gans, creator of the Newbie Phenomenon. And what I'd like to show you now, I've been getting a lot of questions about WordPress and how do you install it and how do you set up themes and things of that nature. So what I decided to do is create a couple of videos. Now these are going to be real short, and if you'd really like to see how this is done in detail, then you need to go and purchase WordPress Unleashed at WordPressUnleashedOnline.com. That's WordPressUnleashedOnline.com. There we have 13 videos and some bonuses and some ebooks that'll really teach you how to use WordPress and maximize the benefits for your business. But in this brief video, I just want to give you a quick idea of how easy it is really to set up WordPress on your own domain name, which I would suggest you do. Not the free version of WordPress, but set it up on your own domain. There are many advantages to that. Number two, we'll show you either in this video or in an additional video how you can go ahead and select your own theme. So you can make your blog a bit more unique and different. Now, blogs are real important today because it used to be they were just a means of communicating. They were like fancy internet messaging where people would put something up, somebody would comment, etc. Well, that's no longer true. Blogs today are like mini websites, and you can do all kinds of things with blogs. You just have to open up your imagination. So what we're going to show you here today on this quick video is how to install it. Now, when you get a domain name, whatever that domain name happens to be, I would suggest you get it through a host that provides cPanel. That's C-P-A-N-E-L. That's what you're looking at here. Now, I happen to use the host called HostGator. So I registered my domain with HostGator. I have several. And then they provide with your domain something called Control Panel or cPanel, which gives you all of these different benefits and all of these tools, one of which is Fantastico. So we're going to go here and look for it, and then we're going to show you how you can go ahead and install a WordPress blog almost instantaneously. Now if you look here, it says Fantastico Deluxe. So all I'm at, and I'm on my cPanel. I'm going to click on it, and it brings up the Fantastico panel. On the left hand side, you can do a lot of things with this, but we're going to go ahead and click on WordPress because we want to use it to install WordPress. Now it gives you a whole bunch of stuff here, but basically we're going to do a new installation. You can see already I've done several different WordPress blogs myself through this cPanel, but we're going to do a new one. Now what we want to do is install it on a domain. Now I'm going to look for the domains I have registered, and we're going to put it on a domain called twittervideosonline.com. That's another website you can go to, twittervideosonline.com, if you're interested in Twitter, because there we have basically all of the YouTube videos on Twitter on that one site, so you don't have to go searching around. Anyway, so we're going to install it in a directory called blog, and you can make up any directory you want. I'm going to give it a username and a password. Let's go ahead and do this one. We're going to give it a password, and we'll block that anyway, so when you see the video you're not going to really see it. So I'll put in my normal password, and we'll give this a nickname, the administration nickname, which I'm going to use there, where you want to send emails about this blog, about the setup, and we've got to give it a site name. So we're going to call this Twitter Videos Online, and the description is all that Twitter's on video. Now all we do is install, and it shows you where they're going to install it. You know, that's the website. There's the subdirectory. It shows you the whole URL here. So this is something you should really either print or write down so you can get to your blog. Now we're just going to finish the installation. That's about as tough as it gets. It is now done. So I'm going to go back to WordPress overview, and I'm going to pause this, and we're going to show you how this all works. Okay, so this is just the basic Twitter Videos Online blog, and it's done. That's all I did. I just paused it and went over to the site, to twittervideosonline.com/blog, and here's the blog, and it's got the basic setup. Well, now what we want to do is we want to work on this a little more carefully to make it a little more unique and show you how to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to pause again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the administration page for this website. Okay, just to give you an idea how I did this, what you're going to do is type in the URL. In this case, it was twittervideosonline.com/blog. Then you're going to put another slash and type in wp-login.php. That's how you get to this. Now, once you get to this the first time, then all you really have to do is go up to your favorites, and we're going to add it to my favorites. And I've set up a favorites so that I can put all my blogs in, because I have a bunch of them. So I just added it to my favorites. The username is what I gave it. The password is what I gave it. I can tell it to remember me. And now we're going to log in. I happen to use RoboForm, which is a whole nother video. And now we're going to go ahead and show you that it's going to open up the dashboard. It may take a second to do it. And on this dashboard now, we can do all kinds of things. We can change the theme, which I'm going to show you how to do right here. We can start adding with either quick ads. So you can add content to your blog right here, and you should add probably once a day to your blog if you want to keep it up, up and running, and you want the search engine indices to index it, and that's about once a day. If you can't do that, there are ways around that problem, but we'll talk about that in another video. So I could actually add my content here and just click publish. But before we do that, what I want to do is show you how you can change the theme and how easy that is. So I'm going to pause because I have to open up a couple of things, and we'll be right back. Okay, so let's show you how to do this. Now this gets a little complicated, but it's not that tough. If you go to WordPress-unleashedonline.com and you either get our free report or you purchase the product, you're going to get a whole bunch of WordPress themes for free. Or you can just do a search on the internet and find your WordPress themes, and they're available. There are lots of them. Or WordPress actually will provide them to you, I believe at wordpress.org. But regardless, you can go ahead and find themes all over. So what we want to do now is we want to go ahead and upload the theme that I want to use to the blog folder that I just created. So we're going to use a program called FileZilla. And here it is. I'm just moving it in. Now you'll notice I've already got this set up just to save time. And I've gone into my Twitter Videos Online folder. This is actually on the internet. This is at my host. And I'm going to go, there's the blog folder that I set up. Fantastico did that for me. I'm going to go into the content folder and into themes. Simple as all that. Now on my this side actually has all of my local machine folders. I happen to, on the desktop, I put a folder called themes. So we're going to search here for it. Let's see if I can find it. Actually, it should be pretty easy. There it is. See, BizGrayBlue, that's just the name of the folder. And what I'm going to do is upload that to the content themes folder on my blog website. So what it's doing now, it's uploading all those files. You can see them being uploaded. And you can see here it is over here. It'll take a minute or two. It's not that big a file. And it's uploading all the different files that I need to customize the folder and the look of my WordPress blog. Okay, that's done. So I'm going to minimize this. Now I'm back at my Twitter Videos Online website. Now what I'm going to do is go into Appearance. Now you could actually change it here too, but I'm going to show you on Appearance. And now Themes. Now you can see here it is. Okay, before the only two that were here would have been the WordPress Classic and the WordPress Default. That's what comes with WordPress when you load it through Fantastico Deluxe. I just added this theme. So this is now available to me. All I have to do now is click on the title. WordPress is going to do its thing. There it is. That's what it's going to look like. Twitter Videos Online, all the Twitters on video. Now all I have to do up here is click on Activate BizBlue. That's the name of the theme. That's all there is. Now if I go to visit the site, there it is. Now you can start adding content. So that's really all there is to, one, setting up a WordPress blog, and two, changing the theme. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and please go to WordPress-unleashedonline.com and you can go ahead and purchase the ebook. You'll get 13 videos, you'll get several bonus gifts, 40 different themes. It's all available to you at WordPress-unleashedonline.com. online.com. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video.